Okay, let's talk lights. Here I've got the King's 3-inch lights. It's a plug and play system, and I've got the King's rear lighting wiring harness kit. When you pull it out of the box, the lights, you get a bracket that's separate, and you've got to bolt it on either side. Now, it has no instructions, but what you do, push the bracket down, whichever way you want to put the bracket in, and then you've got to drop a nut down in between. So drop the nut down, then from the side just push the bolt in, and you should be able to line it up, and then get your Allen key and then just tighten it completely up both sides to where you want it. The plug and play relay, so it's all in one, it's pretty good quality, it's all sealed, so you need a relay, otherwise you'll blow your lights basically, or have a meltdown. From there, off the end of the relay, that's your power and positive. Just hook them up to your power source. I'm doing it from the back of the car, so I've got a power source down under here already I've run, but generally they'll go from your battery terminal. Then you follow it down, and what do we got over here connected to the whole lot? Looks like a mess, but anyway, you got your switch, on off switch. Then the other end here of the same harness, you've got, for both lights, because I'm running both lights, you've got a dual harness here, connector, just like an extension. So that will plug into there, that one, and then that runs to one light, plugs in there, and then the other one will run to the other light. So I'm going to run it in behind here, through here, up and around the channel a bit down the side, put one up top and one on the other side there. Probably looks like a bit of a mess, but I've just got this cheap conduit going over the main wire. It's all really good sealed, but I've just wanted to put tape over it and seal it where I can, so that's what I've gone along and done, where it splits off, and I'll run a bit of conduit up to the top of that one, and I just got it all hanging for now, and we'll continue from there. So I've got the power from the battery run down inside the vehicle, underneath everything hidden. It's a bit of a mess in here still. Comes out here, which goes underneath the cover eventually, back under. So I've got the wire here, runs along. This is the plug and play system. There's your fuse. Comes along to your relay. That's where the wires stop, at that junction here. Then it comes back up to your switch, which is here. So this switch, you can leave it down the back and have your lights. You can have them set up somewhere in the back here, but I'm going to run this neatly through to the front, underneath everything, and so I've got on the dash. The reason I'm going to do it that way is, yep, when I go in reverse, I can switch them on. I've got all that light, or if I just need them, I'll have a switch up there, can hit them, and I'm going to probably dial in the switch down at the back here too. So that's the simplest way. Now if I point over the fence, you'll see how far they can actually, back to there. So I'll show you This is going down my driveway. It's a bit steep, so that's looking out the side mirror. And if I pan across into my rear view mirror, and I'll hop out and show you. Then I'll turn them off, and that's with them switched off, and I'll jump back in and I'll just use the normal reverse lights going up. Okay, so the same view out the side mirror. That's the lights coming on, so you can hardly see anything. Reverse lights on, off. That's all you see out the back. And then if I go to the main mirror, reversing mirror, as you can see, you can't see a thing. Now I've turned it back on, and you can see a fair bit. You can see a lot more. So now I'm using the reverse spotties to back up. And if I pan right around, you should be able to see. Pan back around my side mirror, and I can see heaps. Much better. Stay tuned.